Mame kwamanim na yenhye sema ewoda wokratanim na wo sha nyame adoma ansa na mekoda wokratanim no ena ye wukoda ya woda ya otinati ye fieda memeda ne kwaseda ye da kase de ma osono amanyoko no asin ne atu ahene fo no ekwakosia mu ewo Accra Sports Stadium na wo mo edwo kokromutie akoyi akandifo edi party nanim as national executives na se ye bo nkomo daada no efiti enne ene ne china ene ne fieda kosire memeda no Adom Brands Adom FM Asempa FM Asia FM and Adom TV ye ma update upon update analysis upon analysis and therefore aspirants nyina ho ye compare last 4 years the see we kofodia the expectation no this year and the changes aba nyina no ye the sa analysis nyina no ebe matiefo ne ahwefo ewo ye krowe mu nti no hya so esa ye giremu dendende edema we are here to serve you ehon komo ebeba na sa wo hya daily graphic atafa to so miensa ehon asama na eda na ekamia yese empanyefo miensa ena hwedi kan ewo ye chairmanship position no wo ma hwedi kan hwe won ma nipa nso ena contest na daily graphic eche so ma ye nkitawodie pinu a de akọwie ni se empanyefo miensa wo mo elidi ewo sa contest ho no Steven Ayensu team ya or contest for the 5th time ehon asama eda ha Steven Asamo Aboaten wa ye first time contestant ena George Kwabena Abankwa yebo a wono so first time contestant it's in penifom yen say and according to daily graphic and wo komo madie no wo mo LED ewo yesa akansie no wo hwemu a delegates best empim ensia ahanso ene aduasa 6730 and akoto aba na emu no no na wo mo ebeyi wo hwe aspirants a wo mo contest a wo keka positions a wo do wo mo 46 and contest enipa 6730 and ebeto aba no ehho asem ewo daily graphic atafa to so miensa anim ase ya obo mu amane kama na wo hwe mu ase wo yi national chairmanship a wo mo details abaya na kame ayese other positions no say obefa first vice and second vice mo ni ade no ehwo say contest no very keen so na general secretary ho treasurer national organizer women organizer youth organizer and a Nasara coordinator and also so no dear him emu amane nyina ewo daily graphic katafato so me sampato on sakabia wo be hunu sade tie ba se jade ba kwa me ya witness wo contest we mu no compared to the regional elections as a we no aye peaceful kakra emu aye din say enkrofo toto jams abo mo ho ni ade no me sadan hunu ye ewo de ekoso yimu enti no we hope that bekosa ade kwa so ma wi anisa Oma we campaign wa enesa na mame fa wo enko kratafa ya etoso edunso e wo daily graphic mu ha ya na kwale kulote mansi no na ene no wo mo ehwese wo mo ebenya emoa bi e dia free turkey na aboa ama enkitan de da wo mo entem se enwuma bekoso na ensahwe bia nso no enuma betumi akoso e wo mansi no mu na wo hwemu a wo mo chese partnership wo mo pay no de ebeboa ama cities awodo ene esesa wodo ampanyefo di gu akwan so peso saka nyomani ema pepepe yo adwuma no ebeba so municipal chief executive democratic municipal assembly samoni ajetewia na atase wokonsa ewo Turkish ambassador to Ghana ozem egun ono ena omkokosra no ehwo na sankita wode we efi eba betodwa eto omo ehwe se ekita wode bekoso partnership abaye adwuma na eba no tourism any businesses a wo mo atumi asakra enioma ani eno so ewo hapa edemam na wo hwemu a wonse na na no joda na holiday na emu nkoma eba ye no chese ne no beaches ahodo ewo Ghana ha ene sadia ehho enseseyete no na kedu holiday wankasa hunu numbers na ekọ wo mo kwajuomani wo mo kwa filia famu ani ade but kame say wo kola body beach wo kola boma kokrobite any beaches awodo na patronage no nipa dodo ekwae no na ewo fom na ne nyina no ekwa ekosi de ene obi eka so omani mayese omani mayeden no eno eho asem daily graphic e de aba ewo ha se ya no patron saka bia obetumi akenkan special prosecutor so na echese ne okọ appeal high court ruling na echese eye section na wogina so ewo the special prosecutor ne act mu no e de eye ese wo babes freezy Sergeant na wanya ne ba bi ekọ oba de fa ne kra esieyi obe freezy na japade e woko se hyehyem be kwa wiye na court botugu ye no wo san e de ekobiem se ruling na high court ne de bai no wode no enya adwen eno so ho asem ewo daily graphic da bokrata no anim CJ de ho no why enti no yen share Adom online and I'm enjoying so kakrai
krata isesi na mensaka abra Charles Bisiu
okay
plot 3 Brunyi Chrome second D Western Region
okay
ni email wa ha charlesbisiu21@gmail.com press statement na menye phone kura yi na menkenkan azemba wa ha aha okay Maminkai, I say,
withdrawal
from the NPP General Secretary race.
Wow.
On Wednesday, 13th July 2022, I officially withdrew my aspiration for the General Secretary position of the New Patriotic Party NPP. A letter has been issued to that effect to the National Election Committee, and that I believe was received in good faith. In the spirit of the party's constitution as stipulated in Article 10(4), I presented myself as a nominee for the General Secretary position, to which was duly vetted and passed by the Elections Committee. I secured the 4th position among the 5 other contenders on the ballot paper. My campaign was strongly articulated with an assurance of transforming the party into an effective political machinery that inspires confidence and trust within the party and among Ghanaians. My message of change was well received by the masses of delegates and party people across the country. I have impressed on the party that the New Patriotic Party requires transformation, a transformation that embraces scientific and innovative electoral strategies and systems and effective party management. It's a long letter, Abna. It's a long letter, but I can't make it.
And the tintin in it, say, Charles Bisiu, a file, echo vetting, and or contested our general secretary position, no, and then or Chester were pulling out or in one film. Aha, it's not just said, there were more, no, okay. Not just say,
as a patriot, I will continue to serve in any capacity and pursue the interests of the party at all times. And I say, Charles Bisiu.
CJ, me do why? Yamen kan ho.
Fancy na fancy da no Master Assurance, your solid partner, Top Choco, Miss Chocolate, CBG. We stand with you at Beverly Herbal Center. I are elated from your partner.